You can twerk while not split. You're racking out them. Oh, you're here. Hi guys, I'm Cody Jay and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now, as you can see, today we are going to be recreating the iconic look from AdamRayOkay, aka Rosa. So I am ecstatic for this video. As you can see, it's definitely a moment. I am recreating such an iconic look, and Rosa will forever go down in the history books as being a legend. So definitely sit down, sit back, relax, laugh with me, and let's jump into creating this Rosa look. Okay guys, this video is going to be super fun because I, like most people, I'm absolutely obsessed with Adam Ray, aka Rosa. So I'm super excited to try and recreate the iconic Rosa look, and I think this video is going to be very easy because there's not a lot of steps to create the Rosa look, but I think it's going to be super fun nonetheless, and I think we should just jump right into it. But before we jump into the video, make sure if you are not already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the red subscribe button down below. And if you love me or you love AdamRayOkay/Rosa, please make sure you give this video a big thumbs up down below. It would help me out so much. So let's get started. Okay, so I have a photo which I'm going to throw up right here. And in this photo, it shows you obviously what the look we're going for today is. And as you can see, there's not really any foundation pretty much on Rosa's face, but I'm just gonna put a little bit because my face has been breaking out lately and we don't wanna be on camera for a long period of time with a gross looking face. So I'm just gonna put this on the back of my hand because there's a little bit too much. And I'm just gonna like splotch this all over my face. So this foundation is probably the one that I have that has like the least amount of coverage, especially when it dries down. So I'm just gonna like really lightly go over my face and just kind of give it a little bit more color just because we're looking a little washed out these days and these studio lights do not help. Okay, so I remember when I first downloaded TikTok, I absolutely hated it, and I literally only downloaded it because I saw a video on Facebook of Rosa and some of her little videos, and I think the first one that I saw was the, bitch, you got $1? Let me see, you got $1? Open your purse. You know, I see it's right there, like that video. That was the first one I think I ever saw, and I immediately was hooked. I was like, who is this person? Why have I never heard of them before? And where can I find more? So I got TikTok and was so happy that I found like, I don't know, maybe 10 or 11 videos at that time. Like, I don't know if I was just like super behind or if Rosa just uploaded a bunch of videos and like I'm, you know, not too late, but regardless, I was obsessed and I literally was showing everybody these videos. Like, all I could do was quote her every single day at work. People would be like, what are you talking about? And I'm just like, come here, let me see in your purse. You got $1? And they'd be like, for what? I'm like, for a slushie. You know, that's literally all I did. I was absolutely obsessed. And then I started like, you know, quoting them in text messages to people. And now I see people do it all the time online. They'll like prank people and they'll send them little, you know, Rosa quotes, and I just think it's absolutely so funny. And it's so amazing to me that people can use a platform like TikTok, like anything, and literally just get and go viral, like literally overnight and like every, you know, over a couple days or weeks or whatever. Like, it absolutely is so insane, and I'm like, you know, hats off to Rosa for literally like taking over the world. Like, I aspire to have some sort of success or like overnight fame like that. I just think it'd be so crazy to wake up one day and like everybody knows who you are and everybody's quoting you and everyone's making videos about you. So you never know, one of these days Mr. Cody J here could go viral. Okay, so looking at this photo again, I'll just keep throwing it up here when I need to reference it. Rosa has a beautiful but very harsh contour. So we're going to be going in with the Gerard Cosmetics contour kit. It looks like this. And I think I'm gonna actually use this bronzer right here, which is the #forever bronzer. So I think I'm gonna take more of a dense brush for this compared to like my normal, just because I need it to be, you know, pretty deep. So I think I'm gonna take this one, and I'm just gonna like really pack it in, because the harsher, the better. So we're just gonna, you know, do a very natural contour line right here. And we're not gonna take it anywhere. We're just gonna go. Keep going and keep going and keep going. And when you think it's enough, grab a little bit more. Now, as far as my favorite Rosa video, I would have to say it's probably the one where she's talking to her classmate about them being gay, and she says, dude, come here. You're gay? Oh, I freaking knew it, dude. You got like a boyfriend or what? Oh, that's so cute. You know how I know? Because you be looking around and shit. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, a lot of people would be scared though. A lot of people would be scared, and I'll name them. That is literally my favorite. I can't tell you how many times a day, an hour, per minute, honestly, that I literally will quote that either in my head or like to other people. And after a while, people at work literally were just like, shut up, we don't know what you're talking about. I'm like, well then get TikTok and you'll know. But I was literally obsessed with that for the longest time. I still am. I literally have it downloaded just so I can watch it every time I feel the need to, which is like every 20 minutes now. But yeah, I absolutely love it so much. Okay, that contour is looking very Rosa approved, I'm sure. So I'm now gonna throw on, if I look at this picture again, her cheeks definitely have some pink and redness to it. So I'm gonna put a little bit of blush because I don't really have any pink or red going on in my face, so I wanna have a little bit. So we're gonna like fake it, you know? So for blush, I'm actually gonna be using a eyeshadow palette. This is the Bella Primavera palette from Bella & Co. And I'm gonna start off using Cherry Blossom, and if I need to like deepen it up or give it a little bit more warmth, then I'll dip into Tulip probably. But for starters, we're just gonna go with Cherry Blossom and hope that it does the job. So I'm throwing on blush. I wanted to talk about when Adam, aka Rosa, was on James Charles' channel and what you guys think about that. If you've watched it, please let me know in the comments below real quick if you have, and what did you think about it when you watched it. I personally loved it. I think it was great to really see Adam kind of be on a different platform for a moment, and I was not expecting a James Charles feature as his first like, you know, kind of YouTube experience, or my experience with him on YouTube, but I think it was a really great video, and it was so amazing to see him go from like his typical Rosa self to like a really glamorous, you know, sophisticated Rosa, and it was definitely not something I was expecting. But I was wondering that if after that video, was Rosa gonna, you know, do those more intricate types of looks and more glamorous types of looks in general, like just dabble in it even, or if she was just gonna stick with, you know, the typical Rosa look. And so far I've only seen the typical Rosa looks, which is fine because that's obviously like the character, but I was definitely happy to see that moment. I think it's really cool to see people transform like that, and it's definitely really neat. Now, what would a Rosa makeover be without the blinding highlight on the cheeks and the nose? Because we know Rosa loves a highlighted moment. So I'm going to be using my Jeffree Star Cosmetics Skin Frost. This is an ice cold, and it's like a pure blinding white highlight. So I'm just going to take this, and we need something super harsh. So I'm just going to take a brush like so. I'm just going to really stamp into it because Rosa's not one for subtle highlight, and we aren't either today. Yes. You want to talk about glowing. Ooh, now that is blinding. Let me catch you looking at me. Do, because I always see you staring at me. So we just need that little tiny, you know, really intense highlight on the nose because, hello, just drawing attention to our best feature. There we go. Ooh, yes, Rosa, yes. Okay, you guys know we have one iconic step left. Look at this highlight. Like, it looks so ridiculous and crazy, but that's literally Rosa. Like, so far so good. But we have one step left, and that is the iconic Rosa lashes, where one is like cockeyed up here, the other one's like all a mess and upside down. So we have some pretty full lashes here. I have no idea where these are from because I don't have the package. They look like they're from Dolzera Cosmetics. I think that's what they are, but not sure. Okay, so this first lash on my left eye goes upside down like this, and I don't know where that fuzz came from, but that's gross. So I'm just gonna take these with my tweezers and just grasp them like so. Come here. And we're just gonna, you know, put them on upside down. This is so weird. Oh my gosh. I feel the Rosa fantasy right now. It's all coming together. Why did I just block my entire face with my mirror? Sorry. I forget, you know, there's a camera in front of me. So yeah, we are just going to place these in a very Rosa fashion. Oh my god, that is literally everything. Did Rosa just start a brand new trend? Why is it so close to my lash line? I can never get them that close. Yes. Yes, dude, yes. Dude, come here. Yes. Okay, so I need to grab the other one. Okay, so I have the other lash. Now this one goes correctly on the lid, but like it's kind of up and cockeyed, so we're just gonna like place it and definitely not put it on our lash line. My mouth always hangs up when I put lashes on. It's very attractive. But I mean this lash. But I mean this whole look, you know, is super attractive, so like screw it, you know? Yes! Look at those lashes. Oh, this is literally everything. I have one more thing. One moment. Okay guys, I'm back. Here is the final Rosa transformation. We have the harsh contour, the blinding, overwhelming highlight. We have the beautiful little blush moment. Of course, the lashes that are literally iconic. And we have the beautiful little headpiece going on, if that's what you want to call it. But yeah, I am living my Rosa fantasy, and I literally hope that Adam sees this video. I just think it'd be so funny. And I just have one last thing to say to you. Zoo, come here. So, thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys would like to keep up with all things Cody J, you can find me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok, and Facebook, all at Cody J Artistry. And of course, if you enjoyed today's video, which I definitely hope you did, please make sure you give this video a big thumbs up down below. Click that big red subscribe button so you can join my YouTube family. Turn on my YouTube video post notifications by clicking that bell icon and switching it to all. And I thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.